Hello everyone, we are the team GenAlphaZ and our project is called Lanka Blood Donate. In Sri Lanka, one of the big problem is the lack of a proper system to quickly connect blood donors with blood bank centers. Many times when a hospital urgently needs blood, finding the right donor becomes difficult and time consuming. So our innovative idea is to solve this issue with two connected applications. A web application for blood bank centers where they can easily post blood requests, a mobile app for donors called Lanka Blood Donor, where donors can receive instant notifications, see requests near them, and respond quickly. Okay, so and in order to that, we also added features like eligibility timeline. So donors know when they can donate again and blood compatibility information to guide which blood types can donate to which groups and alert and filters so donors can see requests filtered by their blood type and nearby centers. That means donors can find blood banks centers in their district and leaderboard to encourage donors with points. For example, a normal donation gives 500 points, but if an agent requests, the donor will get an extra 100 points. So our goal is to make blood donation faster, more organized, and more motivating for everyone. Let's go to discuss about backend with Ballerina.
Folder structure. Inside that you can see several folders. The first one is responsible for everything related to the database. We used PostgreSQL as the backend. Inside this folder we maintain our migration and seed files which define the overall database scheme and tables. And then next we have a folder called DB data. This is used to handle all the new entries coming from Docker. Now the most important part, these three folders represent separate Ballerina projects. We split our project into three different Ballerina projects to ensure scalability, maintainability and seamless integration with both the database and the real-time messaging system. Each of these projects runs in its own Docker container. The first one, hospital service, manages the hospital operations such as creating blood request and QR verification. Then the second one, notification service, handles push notification and alerts. For this, we integrated Zookeeper and Kafka. And then finally, public API service, which serves the donor mobile app. From a technical perspective, we use Docker to make sure all developers and servers run in the same environment, avoiding the classic "it works on my machine" problem. And for testing, we used Postman. That's all about the backend.
Here are our Docker containers. Inside backend, we have hospital service, notification service, public API, and Postgres. That means database. Postgres means database. Kafka and Zookeeper. Those are the 6 containers that we have used. First of all, I'm going to explain about the front end of our mobile application called Lanka Blood Donor. So first I'm going to sign up. I just put a records like NIC, null, email, date of birth, and weight can be for the testing and maybe plus for the blood type. So for the sign in, I just put email and password and sign in. So this is the interface. So now let me explain about the web application. So in our web application, uh, now I am going to sign in to Peradeniya Teaching Hospital blood bank. So here you can see there are 40 blood units. That means total, and we have routine requests and urgent requests. And in our request, we can add request. Currently, we have two requests, and we have stocks related to each and every blood type, and we have record donation. So in here we can update stock. Now I'm going to put a request for the AB plus, and I request 10, and you can see current status is routine because it's general status, and I just marked it as urgent. Now I'm going to explain through the mobile application. In here, you can see AB plus, and also we have a notification about that blood request. And so the next, I'm going to donate blood. That means I'm going to donate a blood. So here I just put emails in NIC because currently QR is not available in our mobile application. So in future we will enable this option, and his blood type and how much we donate. So 1 unit, and submit donation. So here you can see current status is accepted. So another three options we will provide, because if the blood have some kind of issue, we can temporarily block, or otherwise there are some viruses, if we affect that virus, so we can't donate anymore. So that kind of purposes we have provide these options. So now I'll show how's the dashboard in mobile donor side. So in user side, now you can see this kind of interface. Now he need to wait until 90 days for the next donation, and we click blood appointment. You can see like this, and he can check his points from the leaderboard. So first, yeah, he will start from 500, and he got 200 additional points because he donated to the urgent requirements, urgent requests. So and here he can check his history and also other more details, and he can edit edit his profile, and we doesn't allow to change NIC because we uniquely identify person from NIC. And this one is checking blood compatibility. So if we select O minus, that this application shows what are the other blood types they can donate. So this one have AB plus, so we can give only AB plus. And here we have a filtering system for the alerts. So here you can see all the requests from different centers, blood centers, blood bank centers in Sri Lanka. So here you can see AB plus because of the user's blood type. So he can filter through this application. He only displayed the what are the blood types that the user can donate. And if we select urgent, so it will update like this. So according to the requested time and routine and nearby. So this one is very important. So in some user select this option, they can see all the blood requirements in their area, in their district. So according to user district, we will provide this kind of all the request from that user's district. So this is profile and this is leaderboard. And finally, we have more section that will provide what are the best practices for the before donation, during donation, after donation, and educational resources, what are the eligibility criteria, and those things. And point system, I previously explained those things, and we will provide languages, 3 languages, English, Sinhala, Tamil, and in app settings we provide these kind of things. And finally, we have help and support option. In our solution, Lanka Blood Donate is not just an app, but a complete solution to bridge the gap between donors and blood bank centers in Sri Lanka. With this system, we can respond to urgent blood needs much faster, save more lives, and build a strong donor community. So thank you very much for watching our demo, and we need to thank WSO2 for encouraging us to use Ballerina for our projects.